Hi everybody, this is Deb from D&D Art Gallery. First off, I did want to show you the painting that I did with the KSResin in a previous video. This was video number 20, and I just wanted to show you how beautiful this did turn out. You can see the shiny silver there, and the finish is just like glass. Just turned out beautiful. So we'll get started with today's painting. Again, I'm going to be working with a 12 by 12 wood panel. I've put 2 coats of the Kills 2 as a protection for the wood, and also my base coat is Marina, and I just mixed that with water and I put a thin coat down and it's partially dry. And my other paints today that I'm using are, like I said, the base coat is the Marina mixed with the KSResin, Extreme Sheen Silver, Liquitex Basics Alzarin Crimson Hue, Liquitex Basics Phthalo Green, and my last color is a lime green. Both the lime green and the Marina are colors that I mixed up from a video that Julie Cutts did when she mixed up her blues and her greens. So shout out to Julie for that. These are very, very pretty colors. And I am, like I said, using the KSResin today. I have become an affiliate for KSResin. It's very clear. It mixes up very easy, no odor. So I do suggest using this product, and I will put the information down for you so you can take a look at it, see what it's all about. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to put my base coat down, and if you remember, I've done 2 other resin pours, and resin is sticky, and I suggest that you wear gloves, and you have to work a little bit faster with the resin because it tends to set up. So I'll just spread this out. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I have taped the sides up to the lip. There is a little lip on the edge, and I will make sure that that lip gets covered with this Marina colored resin. Then when it's all dry, you just take the tape off. Usually within 24 hours you can take the tape off and you have nice clean sides. I usually let the wood on the sides go natural. I know there are some artists that stain it, sand it and stain it, or sometimes even paint it to match the colors in the painting. Whatever your preference may be. So I got a very good coat for my base coat here. And I'm just going to run my finger along the side here. Making sure that that lip is covered. Okay. Now I'm going to torch to get the air bubbles up. And I'm just going to pretty much use the same directions that I used in my video number 20. Again, you don't want to get too close that you burn your resin, just to pop the bubbles. And now I'm going to use my heat gun to move this paint around and soften it up a little bit. Heat it up just a little bit. You can see the paint moving. Okay, last time I did this, I made stripes. This time I'm going to try something that I have not seen another artist do yet. I'm going to try and more or less put the paint together and then try and blow it out. See how that works. It may not work, I'm not sure. This is all new to me. So just an experiment here. And I will try and leave a little bit in the bottom of my cup in case I do want to add some stripes or something a little different later. Let's use the lime green now. And let's use the silver next. And to mix your paint with your resin, that's all that is in here is the paint and the resin, and you want not 10 parts resin to 1 part paint. You don't want to put more paint in there or it will cause problems with your resin setting up. And last I'll put the alzarin crimson in. And this really does look a little bit thicker. Okay, and now I will torch. Just to get the air bubbles out. And then I will use my heat gun. think I'll add just a little more of the green because I do have it left. And I may even add a little bit more silver here and there. Okay, torch it. Now we'll use the heat gun. Okay. I think it turned out very, very beautiful. I love the greens, the crimson in there. It's just beautiful. And I am going to get you down. I will clean off my edges here, even though once the tape is removed, there won't be a problem. But that silver is very, very pretty in there. I'll get you down for a close-up. Okay, this is the upper left-hand corner. Try and get you in so you can really see that sparkly silver there. Just beautiful. Down in here, you can really see it. That's pretty with that crimson. So bright. Here's the upper right hand corner. Very, very beautiful here. And this is the lower right hand corner. Okay, again, this was done with the KSResin. And let me know what you think. Share, ring the bell, so you'll be notified the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, this is Deb saying, take care, everyone. Bye.